How about we take a look at some of the ways you can make money on YouTube? One way is by simply listening to music, where you earn $10 for every song. If you listen to 5 songs, that's $50. You can earn $200 just by listening to YouTube music. This offer is free, and it has no cost associated with it. No matter where you are in the world, you have the opportunity to earn money just by listening to your favorite music. Just make sure you watch until the end, where I'll reveal some amazing techniques that will help boost your income and help you make 5 times as much money with no more work. Alright, let's begin. We're going to take a look at different apps that will help you increase your earnings on YouTube and unlock features that are normally inaccessible unless you pay for them. That includes something called Music to Play, which lets you listen to YouTube music without leaving the app. This helps remove ads from the audio stream so your songs won't stop when there's an ad break. Instead of having a play button throughout each video, this app turns off sound from other videos so it only plays when specific buttons are pressed on screen. An app also known as focusing difficulty.
Before we move on further in the video, I'll give you some time to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to give us a big thumbs up, it really does helps out our channel. And by doing so, we very much appreciate it. Be sure to also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on any of our latest Make Money online tutorial videos. This app is available on the iStore for iPhone users and the Google Play Store for the Android users. Make sure you download the correct application before continuing. This is the current logo. Out of 111,000 ratings, this app received 4.4 stars. It is a completely legitimate program that is fairly good and solid. I want to show you that they have over 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube, before I show you the actual example inside the account. You'll earn points for listening to your favorite music. Once you have enough points, you can use those points to play YouTube songs on our radio station. After you download the app from your Google Play or iTunes store, you'll be able to access our radio station and earn money by playing to your heart's content. You can also see something like this after logging into your account, just one of 3 ways to bring in money. You can earn money with this playlist and website by clicking play. Every song will play automatically, ensuring you have continuous streams of income. Once a playlist has played through once, it'll has the option to loop. Where things get really fun is when you activate the repeat button. It'll automatically start over at the beginning and replay the entire playlist, which means you can keep earning money. In order to get more income faster, queue up all your songs and let them play, or connect an external song source if you want your own music streaming on your site. You can earn money with this playlist and website by clicking play. Every song will play automatically, ensuring you have continuous streams of income. Once a playlist has played through once, it'll has the option to loop. Where things get really fun is when you activate the repeat button. It'll automatically start over at the beginning and replay the entire playlist, which means you can keep earning money. In order to get more income faster, queue up all your songs and let them play, or connect an external song source if you want your own music streaming on your site. After it's finished with one song, it will move on to the next and so on, all of the music. Including every time a song is played, you'll get compensated. If you have the option to loop the playlist, then it'll play over and over again, automatically. Once you hit your goal, the party's really just getting started. As you saw, I was able to reactivate the repeat button by hovering my mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner. The playlist will automatically repeat back to the first song and play to completion, once it plays from the first song until it's complete without fail. That way, I can keep earning money while they're playing. Ready to make some cash? First, make sure you have a bunch of songs queued up so you can earn money more quickly. Second, when you visit the home page, hover your mouse over the hot list and click on the recommended and higher quality videos that share your same taste in genres and music. Once again, I want to advise you again that this website current not YouTube will be the one paying you. With the help of this application, you can sync music from YouTube so that you get paid when you listen to the music there. The second technique I want to demonstrate to you is more well-known and well-used. Perhaps you watch YouTube videos on a regular basis like you're doing now and know that there are music playlists such as this one, the Popular Hits 2020 Top 40 Songs, that allow you to listen while earning money over and over again. I'll give you an illustration. I'm going to open 3 tabs on my computer, one for each tab. I usually have 3 tabs open when I listen to music. One for my current playlists, one for Google Chrome, and a third tab for work. Now, I want to give you 3 different ways that you can increase your income. First, make sure you visit YouTube. You'll find music that lasts at least an hour. The more music you play and the longer it be, the more money you'll make. Another piece of advice is to click on the Options button, which is also labeled as Settings on some browsers. By default, playback will be in regular speed, but by selecting the playback speed, you may double the speed at which you play your songs. It's important to lower your quality to 144p so that it doesn't use up as much internet as when you open 3 tabs to play the music. When you engage in other activities, the music will continue to play as long as the current music application is linked to your YouTube radio station once again. You can connect with one of these methods, either using the first method on YouTube Music or using the second, playing them on a YouTube platform. You won't need to stop listening to your favorite music by playing it at a lower quality. With a little adjustment, you can set the phone to play your music in 144p and still have good quality sound. Keep in mind that if you have slow internet or share Wi-Fi with many people, it's best not to adjust the quality, since higher quality means more time will elapse before your sound starts again. In this video, I have explored 3 different methods of demonstrating what is acceptable. These are all acceptable approaches, as shown in my demonstration. Now let me present the final bonus tip for this new Chrome extension, a Google Chrome extension that makes YouTube videos playable at any speed you want. This can be downloaded from Google Chrome and is available on both computers and mobile devices. You may have noticed your video is playing slowly on YouTube. This is because the standard quality for YouTube videos only allow for up to 2 times speed. The Google Chrome plugin will increase your playback at up to 3 times the original pace, which is especially helpful when watching a TV show or movie. The Plugins tab lets you load various plugins that improve the overall performance of your browser. Google Chrome appears in the list of browsers with a red icon on it after you download it. When you enlarge the window, this option makes the text size larger and notifies other windowed tabs on your page. There are 6 additional tabs available within this toolbar. History shows a list of previously visited web pages. Downloads provides access to downloads, PDFs, videos, etc. Bookmarks, where you can add and manage links to your favorite websites. Go to navigate directly to certain web page. Plugins displays plugins that can be added to Chrome browser. Settings adjust basic settings. The speed of the YouTube content can be controlled by adjusting the arrow in the upper right corner. You can control playback speed by pressing the plus or minus key correspondingly. Also, I want to note that, when you download this extension, it allows you to play videos on YouTube and YouTube Music much more quickly. I have some additional advice for you at the end of this video. The current.us rewards offline music application can be downloaded for free by simply visiting either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. I really hope you find this video helpful and that you're ready to start making some money. If you want to learn more ways to earn money on YouTube, click this video show up on your screen. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated for any of our latest videos. Please leave a comment down below, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.